Here's a tutorial in PowerDirector version 16 on how to do a freeze frame, or with another word, how to stop the video at a certain point. So if I click play, now it's playing, and let's say I want to stop it here and show this screen for a few more moments. So the playhead is at my desired position. Okay, and simply right click that clip and go to edit video image, and here we have freeze frame. Click on freeze frame, and after you do that, let's just talk about it. After you do that, the video will be split at this point, including that text layer also, and it will insert a picture, a still image, and it will move everything to the right. So right click on the video, edit video image, and freeze frame. It's creating the still image, it is there, and it was inserted here. The text was split in two. Okay, and this portion is showing for a longer period. Okay, and if I set the playhead here, now this yellow text is this layer, but if I go there, although there is nothing here, the text is still visible. So this text is basically on the JPEG, on the still image, and you cannot edit it. Okay, and you can modify the length of this one, trim and move all clips, and that's it. That's a freeze frame inside PowerDirector. Thanks for watching, bye bye.